lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and in today's video we have a unboxing. I have not done an unboxing in a very long time of makeup, maybe since Christmas, which is crazy, but a lot of the boxes that come out I'm like not too sure. There's a bit building work going on around here if you can hear it. And then I saw Louise's budget box last month on Alex's channel, and when I watched it I was like, I should have got that box, even for a few items, because it's like £30 and then I can just sell or give away the other items that I don't want. So I thought, okay, this month I'm gonna get it, and I'm in an RN as usual. And then an hour after she put it live, it was still available, whereas last time I think it sold out quite quickly, and I was like, do you know what, this is fate, I'm gonna do it. So the box cost me £30 and then I paid for £1 shipping. I kind of feel like I should have paid for quicker shipping, because everyone else, even though they paid for £1 shipping, theirs came like 3 days before mine, whereas mine came on a Wednesday, theirs came on a Monday, so I was a bit annoyed. But I've had a sneak peek and I'm very happy with the box. I'm gonna get my phone so that we can talk about pricing. I am a Louise fan, but not to the point where I know the prices of everything, because I've stopped using her stuff for a little while. This is what the box looks like. It's so stunning. I absolutely love it. And I think in this box you get a couple of exclusive items. Now I'm just gonna put it out there, I don't know what is exclusive in this box, because I don't actually keep up to date with Louise. So if you want to know what was exclusive, go and check out Alex's video on this month's box. But I'm not too sure, but I have a few items in here that I'm very, very excited for, and I feel like I might know what's exclusive. We have these eyelashes. These are called Bill Please. These eyelashes are very, to me, look dramatic, but let me just open them. But to other people it might just be like an easy natural style of lash, but my natural ones are these Primark ones where it just looks like you're wearing nice mascara. But her attention to detail on these items is incredible. Just look at that. Like, they feel really soft. The band looks quite thick, I must admit, because I'm used to Primark thin bands, but it does look really soft and they look really fluttery, and they look like something I could use day to day, and I'm actually really happy to have these. I just love her packaging. Like, just look at that. Okay, so those lashes are £10. Decent. They do look like they're £10 worth of packaging and eyelashes, so I reckon that's quite a nice little buy. So already we've paid for a third of this box. The next thing I want to show you is this blue eye base. Now I'm not going to keep this because I don't use eye bases that much, especially coloured bases. I use like my Beauty Bay base, which you're going to see something in a second that will, I think, up my makeup game. But I don't use coloured bases, so I'm actually giving this away. I'm not going to use it, but it is a lovely blue. Like, it's a nice pastel blue, and it's called Summer Blues. So let's see how much this is worth. Again, this is £10, so we've paid for 2/3 of the boxes of the box. I do love her attention to detail. Like, just look at it. The gold here. Oh, it is just really, really stunning. But yeah, so that is the second item. You do get 6 items and a scratch card that we're going to do together. The next thing I have is I'm laughing because there's a reason I'm laughing. And Luce, Carly, Alex, Jodie, Megan, people from our groups will know I got the butthole pink, and I knew I was going to end up with this one. I said it. I said, as soon as we've been calling it butthole pink, it's going to be a colour that ends up in my box. And I got it. So I'm not too sure if I'm keeping it, but let me swatch it for you. I might just keep it just to, like, oh, it's got the little seal on, just to start playing with coloured bases. Oh, it looks really nice. You can see the product straight away. Wow, that is a nice cut. Oh, and it's going really satiny. I wonder if I can use that like on my lips. It's like a peachy pink. That is really nice. I actually can't wait to use that now. And I've Stained my fingers, stained my hand. So yeah, I will let you know. I'll probably use it in a video and let you know. Let's see how much that is worth, because if that's another tenner, we've basically made back our money. So the Butthole Pink shade is actually called Paid in Pink. That retails for £14.50, which is weird because it's such a smaller paint compared to the blue one. I don't know if that's right. It looks like it. And they're £14.50, so it is worth it to get these boxes. And if you want a bundle of 3 of those coloured paints in this packaging, then it's £35. So definitely worth it, this box. Okay, next thing I'm going to show you is Extra AF. This again is another paint. I think this is a metallic. It looks green with like a hint of gold. Flipping heck, this is £13.50. £13.50. Oh, and the tube is a little bit different. It's got like a pipette style. It's really nice though. I'm actually excited to try this. I know some people got yellow. If I got yellow, I was going to keep the yellow base instead of the blue, because I feel like a yellow base will go well with like a gold over the top. That is nice though. Look at that. I'm keeping that. I'm definitely keeping that. And we're going to test that out in a video. I feel like we need to have like a P. Louise testing video on my channel. But again, £13.50. I think I'm just going to keep up with these boxes because I know that she said the boxes are basically for people who are on a budget when it comes to makeup, but they want to try out her brand, which I think is an amazing concept. So I'm going to keep trying because I do feel like the pricing of her brand, thank you, a little bit high for what I like to pay. I feel like her quality is definitely worth it. Like, she's always listening to the customers, which I noticed, so I'm really happy. Then we have, so apparently this is a mini version of a palette. So she came out with a palette, I don't know, I can't tell you all the details because I don't keep up with P. Louise. And then she brought out 3 minis. A pink, a purple and another colour, and I got the pink one, but this is a mini of the mini, so this is like a super mini. But again, the attention to detail, oh my god. I think these boxes are worth like 70 quid. I feel like we've made 50 quid, and this is probably, if it's a mini of a mini, another 10-15 quid. I'll have to check it out. But look at the packaging. Just look at her attention to detail. This is such a gorgeous little palette. You know what? I like the fact that it's a mini because I never get through a whole palette, and if it's a mini like this, I'll be more inclined to use it. This is absolutely gorgeous. You get 2 shimmers, which I love about her palettes. I bought 3 of her Love Tapes, and you always got 2 shimmers because you don't need many shimmers. You need more matte. So really happy. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, so I'm really happy to have that. And then the last thing that I'm really excited for is the Acid Rain blank canvas base, I say. This apparently is gonna up my level of cut creases. Carly said it's just gonna change the game, so I can't wait to use this because I always use concealer for my cut creases. And this is in collaboration with Mitchell. Mitchell, I love saying his name. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited to use this. It even says blank canvas on the little lid. Again, we've got some silver stuff there. But that is the shade, so I'm actually can't wait to use it. These are really thick, like as you push them out. You don't need a lot, I've noticed, because I used a lot when it came to the pink one. It's really thick. Like compared to a concealer, that is proper thick. See, this is the little card that comes in it, and it says, Budget Box by P. Louise for babes on a budget. Welcome to the world of P. Louise. We do things differently here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the last thing, a scratch card. She has so many prizes. You can get like money, you can get items, you can get a chance to be on her PR list for a year, I think. So let's scratch this now, okay? I never win at scratch cards, so this will be funny. So I have my winning numbers at the top there. Now I've got to find a match in the bottom. I don't know if I have to find, I think I have to find 2 in my numbers. Gosh, the mess that's down here. Okay, so I got number 3. I didn't get number 3 down there. Okay, so that was everything in my box. I didn't win on my little scratch card, which is fine. I didn't actually think I would win. I barely think there is anyone that will win, to be fair. But I'm actually really happy with this box. Like, it is definitely worth the £30, and I think I will carry on collecting. Now that I'm kind of inspired to use her items, I'm definitely going to start carrying on with collecting these boxes, and until I feel like I've got doubles of things, because I don't own much P. Louise, so it's really hard to have doubles. I like the fact that she's been throwing in a couple of exclusive items in there, and the price is really fair for people that haven't got that much money to spend on P. Louise. Really happy with my items. Again, I think it is just this one that I'm giving away. So basically, I made my money back within this box. I'm really happy, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.